Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy debt reduction techniques with Discover, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin deploying debt reduction techniques with Discover, create your Discover account if you don't have one already. Visit the Discover website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required personal information and follow the prompts to set up your account. Once your account is set up, log in to the Discover portal. Review your current financial situation by checking your balance and recent transactions. Identify the types of debt you have, such as credit cards, loans, or lines of credit. Navigate to the Tools section of your account dashboard. Use the debt calculator available in the Tools section to assess your total debt amount. Input your current balance, interest rates, and monthly payments for each of your debts. Analyze the results from the debt calculator to understand your repayment options. Consider using the debt consolidation feature offered by Discover if applicable. This can help simplify your payments and possibly reduce your interest rate. Next, develop a budget that accounts for your income and essential expenses. Allocate extra funds toward your debt payments where possible. Implement the debt snowball or avalanche method based on your preference. With the snowball method, pay off smaller debts first to build momentum. With the avalanche method, focus on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first. Set reminders for payment deadlines to avoid late fees and additional interest charges. Regularly review your progress by checking your Discover account. Adjust your budget as necessary to stay on track with your debt reduction goals. Consider setting up automatic payments to ensure timely repayment. Engage with Discover's customer service if you encounter any difficulties or need assistance. Stay consistent and patient as debt reduction takes time and effort. Celebrate small victories to keep your motivation high throughout the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.